जाऊ
मेरो बाबा हो अनि त्यहाँबाट चाहिँ के गर्ने फेरि यहाँ भिडियो खिच्दै जानुहुन्छ कि यो रानी महल Today we are here in this what this name? What this place name? Place Pokhara. What I forgot.
पाल्पा रानी मल
Palpa, yes, Palpa Rani Mall. Palpa Rani Mall. See, it is very beautiful, and there was flowers. And one frame, Raja Rani in Nepali, Raja Rani, okay, and in English Queen and King, King and Queen, okay. See this. These hotels are here. That see. This is so good. There was one in Nepali thulo pokhari, and in English big what? Big, I don't know, I forget it. Okay, we are going there. My mother, my auntie, uncle, and my grandmother, grandfather, father, my sister are there. Okay, I can see. Okay, bye.